Hey everybody, I just want to do a short video. I'm making this in May of 2022. Right now there's like a case going on, Depp versus Heard. That's Johnny Depp versus his former wife Amber Heard. It's a defamation case. But the reason why I want to make this video through the lens of a divorce lawyer is because unfortunately I see this kind of stuff every day. Every day. It may not be with the notoriety of this case, and the finances might not be as large as what we're seeing in this case, but there's always cases like this on the docket where somebody marries someone that they shouldn't have married, and they pay so dearly throughout the marriage and to get extricated from it. So, what's the purpose of the video? Think to yourself, do I really need to get married, or is this somebody else's agenda? Is this really in my best interest? Even if you want to have children with somebody, you don't need to get married. You could still have children with them. I think in the Depp situation, he had wasn't his wife who he had children with, Vanessa. So think, okay? Because it's so much easier to get out of a situation if you're not married. I know I'm going to hear people in the comments, oh, but in my culture and this and that. I got news for you. When you go to family court, they don't want to know what your culture is. They want to know what the law is in a jurisdiction where you're getting divorced. And I've never seen a judge or a court say, well, his parents wanted him to get married or her to get married. Don't do that, okay? I'm in the U.S. I don't know what the laws are in other countries, but if you're going to get tangled up on exit, and chances are there's going to be an exit before somebody dies, statistics bear that out. But the purpose of the video, again, is I see this every day. Somebody will get married to someone else that they didn't vet carefully, and the person that they married runs up, 50, 100 grand in credit cards. And then they find out about it. They file for divorce and they say, hey, I'm not responsible for that. I didn't sign for the credit card. I got bad news for you. You may not be responsible to the credit card company, but when it comes time to dividing the assets and the debts in divorce, it's a marital debt if it happened after the wedding day and before the date of separation. Whatever happens during the marriage stays in the marriage. So in Depp's case, it's coming out like he was married like 14 months, and he ended up paying her like $14 million, like about $7 million in cash and about $7 million in taking over her portion of the marital debt. Happens every day. Maybe it's not those numbers, but trust me on this. What can you do about it? Don't get married. Then you don't have to worry about marital debt, this and that. And don't live in a common law married jurisdiction or live in a married-like state in a common law marriage jurisdiction. Be careful out there, all right? I want you to go live your best life. Stop with all this nonsense where people are screwing each other over, all right? Share this with someone who needs to see it. Like, comment. Happy to have you as part of the community. Subscribe. Got some good content coming out.